In this video, we're going to talk about creating past perfect, present perfect, and future perfect tense verbs. So in order to create these verbs, we need to know the formula. So just like math, each one of these verbs has a formula to create it. So let's start with past perfect tense. In order to create a past perfect tense verb, we need had plus the past tense of the verb. So let's say I have the word study. If I want to make that past perfect tense, I would use my helping verb had, and then I change study into past tense. So we had studied. Present perfect tense verb has either have or has, and then the past tense of the verb. So if I have my same word, study, in order to make that present perfect tense, I would either use have or has. I'll use have for this example, have, and then again I'd make this into a past perfect tense, so we can put study. And now that's in present perfect tense. Our last perfect tense we're going to talk about is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense, you can either use will, am, or going to, and then again the past tense of the verb. So if I have study, I would put something like will. So notice I'm using my helping verb here. Will have studied. You should have a page like this in your interactive notebook. It should kind of have like flaps that you flip up with the definition of each type of tense and these formulas. If you don't have this page in your interactive notebook, go ahead and pause this video and write these formulas down, because you're going to need those to complete the worksheet below. Let's take a look at a couple different problems on your worksheet. Let's take a look at number one. It says people study ancient objects for centuries. And my job here is I need to turn our verb into a past or into a present perfect verb. So that takes me back to my formula. And I remember my formula, I'm either going to start out with have or has. So whatever makes sense in the sentence. So people has studied, it needs to be have. So people have studied, I would just write have below. And remember, I need to turn that into the past tense. And that's it. What I do want to take a look at is number 3. Ryan knew that he'd take a wrong turn when he found himself back at the airport. So first of all, I need to turn this into a past perfect tense verb. So if I remember my formula, I know that I need had. And the next thing I need to do is make that into a past tense. Now, took could be past tense, but had took is not correct grammar. So in this case, it'd be had taken. And that's it.